Micron's mission is we want to be the most efficient and innovative provider of semiconductor memory solutions. The previous traditional solutions have been lacking stability, data loss protection, and the inspection magnitude. We needed a solution that can really scale to extend to the mobile workforce, suppliers, customers, our labs, our manufacturing with a cloud-delivered solution.
We wanted more next-gen security architecture, and we wanted to comply with the controls at a hybrid multi-cloud environment, which is the reason we chose Zscaler.
Zero trust is very important for an organization. We deal with a lot of data and information. For us, data is everything, so we want to make sure our data is protected at all given times.
We use Zscaler Internet Access worldwide at all of our locations, as well as in our cloud environment. The business and IT drivers that we were looking to solve were around securing our users with consistent controls, having accelerated and simplified business activities, reduced risk and ensured business continuity, and simplified management and operational overhead. Partnering with Zscaler, it gave us the expert knowledge that we needed. We use many of the different technologies that Zscaler provides within ZIA, such as we do heavy decryption, we look at business continuity controls, we look at data loss prevention very heavily to ensure that we protect Micron's intellectual property. We also use it to secure workloads both on-prem and in our cloud environments. Some of the things we've achieved in partnering with Zscaler, we've reduced our operational overhead by half. We've simplified the management of our platform. We're more consistent with our user experience. Employees are happier, and we've reduced cyber threats considerably and increased our data protection.
Micron and Zscaler has a long partnership, and we have delivered it with adopting the best-in-class security models, and we are still going to keep inclining our partnership by embracing more stronger cybersecurity solutions together.